Okay, so that's a procedure class. Any question on the procedure I just presented? Jerome, what did you get from your computation?
Sir, malayo kasi ano, nag-ano
Ah,
po ako, ginamit ko po yung XP.
okay, so doon kayo nalilito, ano? But after the video, I hope you have answered your questions. Those who have not tried, medyo mahihirapan kayo kasi hindi nyo alam yung mga problems na ma-encounter. So please try redoing this in your Excel. I will not give you this Excel program kasi pag binigay ko ito, the tendency for you is to copy it. Na so do it using your own program. But I'll be sharing to you this. I think this is all a recorded lecture naman siya. So just uh, go over the recorded video. Okay. So any
Okay
question?
po.